Tracksuits and red wine, movies for two. We'll take off our phones and we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. 'Cause you watch the TV while I'm watching you.
Where are we going? Where are you going to get me?
Good taste.
What is the good taste? What is the good taste?
It's in La Trinidad.
Hello guys, we are already tired and I think that we're going to continue videoing ourselves tomorrow na lang sa Baguio because it's already 12 a.m. and we already onboarded on our bus and the driver is not yet there to take us there from Baguio. So we're just going to...
Tomorrow.
Yeah, we're already tired. We just want to sleep first before we do our activities tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hello guys! 4:43 a.m. Dito kami sa Baguio.
Sobrang
Ang hirap
lamig
i-reenact.
talaga.
Ang hirap i-reenact. Pero sobrang lamig guys. Ang grabe ang lamig dito. Ewan ko kung bakit or baka madaling araw pa lang kasi. Like,
Bus.
paggawa ng bus, grabe.
Lamig.
Sobrang lamig ba? Para ka nalang gigilaw eh. Bubugahan ka nalang ng apoy.
Nulugaw?
Tara.
Hindi na tayo mag-phone coffee.
Saan ba yun?
Doon.
Ah, sige.
15 minutes.
Magpo-phone coffee na lang daw kami, sabi ni Mia. 15 minutes away. Grabe, sobrang gina.
Super 90. Thank you.
Hey, Baguio feels. Dito kami sa... Ay na, Burnham Park ko. Ayan o.
Dito?
Oo.
Huh?
Sabi dito, Burnham Park. 45 minutes away. Grabe guys. Baguio feels. Like di talaga namin inakalang makakapag-Baguio kami.
Isang yaya lang.
Oo, hindi na wala nang isip-isip. Kasi guys, parang 9 a.m. nag-chat siya sa akin. sa office na ano, Niel, gusto mo mag-Baguio? Sabi ko, okay, sige, wala nang dalawang isip pa. After work, sige, go na dito. Kaya ayan, dito na kami sa Baguio. Punta kami ng Burnham Park.
Nakarating talaga kami ng Baguio, guys. Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast.
Tignan mo, ang ganda oh.
Update na tayo sa mga view.
Ewan ko kung nakikita niya, pero meron kasing ano, may ano, di ba? May meron, di ba?
Videoan.
Guys, sa Burnham Park na kami.
Sa Burnham Bros.
Ganda? Parang Japan eh, no? Parang Japan lang.
Sabay-sabay ang mga burn.
Hello guys, we're at Burnham Park. We're having strawberry
Tahurls.
tahurls. Wow.
Hindi siya taho. Tahurls.
We're having taho. Hi guys, we're in Mirador. Basta Mirador. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Basta Mirador. Bamboo Kineme na ano. Na Japan feels. Ang ganda guys. Yan siya. Then punta kami ni Mia doon sa taas. Diyan sa Kineme. Sa Kineme.
4% na lang ako, be. Shortek.
Sobrang taas. Hinihingal na. Sobrang taas na namin guys. Kaya ka ba? Magma-Minds View pa kami after this. Siguro mga 9 AM. So, sinusulit lang namin. Pahinga lang din. Tagal, walang exercise ba yung mga tao na ba? So, yung papakit lang kami. We're here at Mirador's Top View! Pwede naman. Taxi na lang kami pa Minds View, but we just gotta enjoy this view first. Like, this is so magical. And I don't really regret going here. It was really such a fun experience going up here and then enjoying this view. We're just so happy. And also we had a dip talk a while ago.
Gusto mo mag-camp dyan? Hingi muna tayo bago tayo.
Tara!
Burnham, lakad na lang yun. Jeep tayo pa Burnham.
Sculpting, Great Ground, Great Garden, Historical Hall.
Hi guys, we're here at the Manor. Mia, say the Manor.
The Manor.
Yes, we're here in the manor, and it's just so amazing that the ride going here is free, right? Just need to take the loop bus, like going around the Camp John Hay. So by the way, we're in Camp John Hay, and we're here at the manor, and we're en route to what do you call that again? We're en route to Secret Garden, yeah. En route to Secret Garden, the Garden of Eden of the Philippines. We're going to Secret Garden. Ay, na si Mia. Nauuot na siya. Mia, say hi. Hi. And we're on route to Secret Garden, guys. Grabe sikip naman dito. Pero ang ganda. Pag humisingot ka, parang fresh oxygen yung malalang. Parang fresh oxygen talaga. Wala namang carbon dioxide dito. The only carbon dioxide that exists here is our breath. Ganun. Say hi. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito, guys. Parang sobrang tahimik. Kaya pala Secret Garden kasi secret lang siya.
Literal na secret.
Hindi. Uwi na, Charis. Punta kami dito, guys. Ay, paulit-ulit naman ba, guys? Basta, guys, we're here. Ito yung 100 years old na plaka. Yung plaka lang pala. Yung plaka lang pala 100 years old, we said. Pasok kami Pasok kami dito ni Mia sa house na 100 years old na siya and counting. Anong house to, Mia?
I don't know.
Basta dito siya sa Secret Garden. If you know, you know lang naman, pare. Basta dito siya, 100 years old siya, be. Sana all. Sana all and really.
Uy! Be, kakain na!
Hi guys, we're leaving Camp John Hay and we're going back to
Burnham Park.
yeah, and we're gonna be riding bicycles. So we're here at Starbucks, Camp John Hay, right?
Yes. Bye-bye.
Grabe, kahit mainit, sobrang lamig.
Hangin, no?
Okay talaga.
Yan, nabababa na sila pala.
Kita kaming taxi, ayun. By the way, ito yung buong place ng pinagstayan namin. Pinagstayan na. So, dyan kami nag-Starbucks. Balik na kami ng Burnham Park. And ito yung mga napamili. Sobrang kapababayaan. Baguio muna, SM Baguio. SM Baguio muna. Hi guys, we're in Baguio. I've been here in Baguio for 3 times already, but it's my first time going here in SM Baguio. Are you still sad? Grabe naman, ganda sa SM Baguio. At ito pala yung terrace nila, so mainit. Pero hindi mo nararamdaman yung init kasi sobrang lamig.
So cool. Maganda dito pag gabi.
Kasi uwi na tayo ng 5.
Yeah.
So baka hindi natin maabot. Ang ganda, parang
Parang ano ba?
isa sun kiss lang ba?